Okay, here's a quick video about the new custom Sidney. Here's the face, and we have the shell. Now there is a little difference I found. This one is for Mattel, but I noticed the shells also works for Tommy. Now I discovered something that is different than the diesel. There is this little square here, and I also, after I 3D printed, I noticed there is a one flat band here. Probably you might see it right there, and that's the little rectangle. Now I did adjust or fix the files for this little bar that goes here. So that will be for the next print that it's right now printing, obviously. Still not visible yet. Maybe in 1 hour or so will be visible. Now, will this shell fit on the original Mattel or Tomy quick test? It does fit perfect. Now, there's so many diesel shunters that we might actually print. Since we have the shell, we can do the next I think that's the character Fernando, which we already have the face. Now for the shade of this model, we are waiting on the delivery. So this is the closest shade we found. So that will be for Sidney. So I'm looking at the info. So Diesel, Ari Birds, Plarail, Dodge, Paxton, Sidney, Uli. It's over there. Mainland diesels also have the same or similar. Where orange and blue Chinese diesels. Okay, I gotta take a look at those models. Oh, interesting. Orange and blue diesels. Mainland. I think I did one custom of these models before, but I don't remember if we had the face. I don't think so. We did not have the face for the mainland diesels. But basically, I did paint, I think, one of those custom models. Oh yes, I did customize one of these models. I think it was Bert or Ari. There's the model right there. So hopefully quick update on this. It took me 4 hours 30 minutes to design the whole thing, redesign basically. It was done. There's one thing different I found on the windows. It is not the same. This one is from Diesel, and this model actually shows a very different window. Now I'm trying to consider also to make a very tiny window that goes right there. Maybe, but it's very narrow area. Maybe not. But other than that, I think it's done. It's perfect fit. Now there is only this problem that I cannot get rid of. I'm trying to do different printing settings, but I'll try to do my best. But at least we have the rest perfect. Only problem I can find is this. Sanding it will leave a really bad opaque shade, but I'll see what I can do. But at least we have the rest of the model looking good, not bad. Okay, Sidney.